Welcome to our guide on the 10 best places to visit in Doha, Qatar. From cultural landmarks to modern attractions, Doha is a city that beautifully blends tradition and innovation. In this video, we'll explore must-visit spots like Souk Waqif, the Pearl Island, Qatar Cultural Village, and more, each offering a unique experience. Whether you love history, luxury, or adventure, this city has plenty to offer. Stay tuned as we reveal these incredible destinations. Which place in Doha do you want to visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Souk Waqif is a vibrant traditional market known for its rich history, authentic Arabian architecture, and lively atmosphere. It offers a mix of old and new, with narrow alleys filled with shops selling spices, perfumes, textiles, handicrafts, and souvenirs. Visitors can also enjoy traditional Qatari food at numerous restaurants and cafes. The souk is a cultural hub, hosting events, art galleries, and performances. Falconry, horse stables, and a pet market add to its uniqueness. Restored to preserve its heritage, Souk Waqif remains a must-visit destination for tourists and locals alike. The Museum of Islamic Art is a world-renowned cultural landmark showcasing Islamic art from over 1,400 years. Designed by architect Yeo Ming Pei, its striking architecture is inspired by classical Islamic elements. The museum houses a vast collection of artifacts, including ceramics, textiles, metalwork, manuscripts, and glass from across the Islamic world. Located on a man-made island, MIA offers stunning views of Doha's skyline. The museum also features a library, educational programs, and temporary exhibitions, making it a hub for art, history, and cultural exchange. The Doha Corniche is a scenic waterfront promenade stretching 7 kilometers along Doha Bay, offering stunning views of the city skyline. It is a popular spot for walking, jogging, and cycling with beautifully landscaped parks, palm trees, and seating areas. The Corniche connects key landmarks like the Museum of Islamic Art, the National Museum of Qatar, and the iconic West Bay District. Traditional dhow boats can be seen sailing in the bay, adding to its charm. The area is especially lively during national celebrations, making it a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists. The Pearl Island is a luxurious man-made island spanning nearly 4 million square meters. Known for its Mediterranean-style architecture, upscale residences, and high-end shopping, it offers a lavish lifestyle with world-class dining, marinas, and entertainment. The island features scenic canals, waterfront promenades, and private beaches, making it a prime destination for tourists and expatriates. Popular districts like Porto Arabia, Canat Cartier, and Viva Baria add to its charm. With its blend of elegance and modernity, the Pearl Island stands as a symbol of Qatar's rapid development and opulent living. Qatar Cultural Village is a vibrant cultural and artistic hub dedicated to preserving and celebrating the country's heritage. It features stunning traditional and modern architecture, including an amphitheater, opera house, art galleries, and mosques. The village hosts numerous festivals, concerts, and exhibitions, attracting artists and visitors from around the world. Qatar also offers a variety of restaurants, a beach, and recreational activities. With its blend of history, creativity, and entertainment, Qatar Cultural Village serves as a key destination for cultural exchange and artistic expression in Qatar. The Imam Mohammed bin Abdul Wahab Mosque, also known as the Qatar State Grand Mosque, is the largest mosque in Qatar. It blends traditional Islamic and modern architectural elements, featuring grand domes, towering minarets, and spacious prayer halls. The mosque can accommodate over 30,000 worshippers and is a significant center for Islamic learning and community gatherings. Named after the 18th century Islamic scholar Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab, it reflects Qatar's cultural and religious heritage. The mosque's serene courtyards, intricate designs, and stunning illumination make it a spiritual and architectural landmark. Khalifa International Stadium is one of Qatar's most iconic sports venues, located in Aspire Zone. Originally built in 1976, it has been renovated multiple times, most notably for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The stadium has a capacity of 45,857 and features advanced cooling technology to ensure a comfortable experience for players and fans. It has hosted major events like the Asian Games, AFC Asian Cup, and IAAF World Athletics Championships. With its distinctive dual-arch design and world-class facilities, Khalifa International Stadium stands as a symbol of Qatar's commitment to sports excellence. Doha Fort, also known as Al Qut Fort, is a historic military fortress located in the heart of Doha. Built in 1927 by Sheikh Abdullah bin Jassim Al Thani, it originally served as a police station and later as a prison. The fort features thick whitewashed walls, corner watchtowers, and a central courtyard, reflecting traditional Qatari architecture. Today, it functions as a museum, showcasing exhibits on Qatar's heritage, handicrafts, wooden ornaments, and historical artifacts. Situated near Souk Waqif, Doha Fort is a cultural landmark offering insight into Qatar's rich history and traditions. Qatar National Library is a state-of-the-art library in Education City, serving as a hub for knowledge, research, and culture. Designed by architect Rem Koolhaas, its futuristic structure resembles an open book. The library houses over 1 million books, digital resources, and a heritage collection featuring rare manuscripts, maps, and artifacts related to the Arab Islamic world. Qatar National Library offers advanced research facilities, multimedia stations, and interactive learning spaces. It also hosts lectures, exhibitions, and community events, making it a key center for education and cultural exchange in Qatar. Mshireb Downtown Doha is a pioneering urban regeneration project that blends Qatar's heritage with modern sustainability. Located in the heart of Doha, it is the world's first fully sustainable downtown district, featuring smart technology, energy-efficient buildings, and eco-friendly transportation like a tram system. The area is home to luxury residences, commercial spaces, cultural institutions, and boutique hotels. A key attraction is the Mshireb Museums, which highlight Qatar's history and transformation. With its blend of tradition, innovation, and sustainability, Mshireb Downtown Doha stands as a model for smart city development in the region.